Hi, babies. I think this must be Tiny because she's letting me get pretty close here and seems unconcerned. Is that you, Tiny? I think it must be. You certainly seem unconcerned. Hi, sweetie. Hi, baby. Hi, sweetie. You're my brave little girl. Yes, you are. And there's a couple more down here. And somebody down there. There were two more here when I came out, but I startled them when I came out. But they'll be back. Hi, Tiny. You're my sweet baby girl. Yeah, you are. You're my little darling. Boy, it really got chilly. I want it to be spring for real. Hi, sweetie. The highlight of my day. This is the absolute highlight of my day every day. Although last night they didn't come. I mean, I saw them over in the field and it was late. It was getting dark and cold and I got tired of waiting. I was freezing. Come on, sweetie. Come on, sweetie. Am I too close to you? Tiny doesn't mind. Tiny doesn't care. Alrighty, I'll back off and let you have at it. My hands are getting cold already. Enjoy. Enjoy, girls.